Hi, I'm Teri Cotton Santos, Chief Compliance Officer and Strategic Advisor to senior management and boards in highly regulated industries. Over the years, I've helped organizations navigate complex legal, compliance, and risk environments, not just to meet regulatory requirements, but to drive business performance. My background in litigation, risk strategy, and compliance operations has taught me that when positioned effectively, compliance is far more than a control function. It's a strategic partner. Here are 3 ways to elevate compliance as a value-adding force across the enterprise. Number 1, shift the mindset from policing to enabling. Too often, compliance is seen as a blocker, but to become a true business partner, compliance leaders must reframe the narrative from saying no to asking how. That means engaging early in the business life cycle during product development, expansion planning, or vendor selection. When compliance teams focus on enabling the business to move faster, smarter, and with greater confidence, they become trusted advisors. In my experience, the earlier we're involved, the more value we add, not just in preventing risk, but in shaping resilient strategy. Number 2, speak the language of the business. If compliance is going to have a seat at the table, we need to speak in terms of outcomes, not only rules. That means translating compliance initiatives into metrics the business cares about, such as operational efficiency, reputational value, and long-term growth. For example, implementing a data privacy framework shouldn't just be about regulatory alignment. It should be about enabling customer trust and market differentiation. When we align our objectives with the company's strategic goals, compliance becomes a competitive asset. Number 3, invest in relationships and culture. Compliance success is built on relationships. It's about earning the trust of your stakeholders from the front line to the boardroom. That trust allows you to influence, not just enforce. And culture plays a big role. When employees understand the why behind compliance, they're more likely to engage meaningfully. That's why I focus on embedding compliance into the organization's values, not just its policies. To truly position compliance as a strategic partner, we must lead with credibility, align with business goals, and build a culture of integrity. When done right, compliance isn't just a safeguard, it's a driver of innovation, resilience, and sustainable growth. Thank you for watching. And remember, impactful compliance teams are not just enforcers, they're strategic leaders.